quite jungle fever, more of a forest cold. It's my slight hand against your angel soft dark skin.
Welcome to Self-Care Day. So today we're going in with a lip mask that we got from Five and Below. Going in with a collagen foot mask. And we're going in with a booty mask. We can firm it up a little bit, you feel me? Then later on we're going to go into a facial. You know, it's a whole little self-care day to yourself, baby. Okay, that's it. We're going to freshen up our heels and our feet. You know, we have a nice cute pedicure. I'm a former manicurist. I know how to freshen up my pedicure and make it still look fab. Let's go. So first we're going to look at our feet because you know how feet get a little dry and it just gets a little, hard. So we're going to make sure that we get our drill so that we can sand down all of the dead skin that's around the toes area and on your heels and the side of your heels and the back of your heels. Those are all the major areas where the feet get very dry, very hard. Those lose all the moisture. So those are the areas that I target the most because I just sand them down and get all that excess dry skin off. And that's what helps me prep both feet for the rest of what I'm about to do. Next, we're going to go in with our callus remover, and we're going to put the callus remover all around the dry areas of the feet. All the areas that you just took the dead skin off is where you'll be putting the callus remover. Then you'll grab 2 separate plastic bags for each foot. And what you're going to do is you're going to put both feet in the bags so that you're able to let the callus remover sit on your feet for about 10 to 15 minutes. This helps get rid of any excess dead skin. So now we're back 15 minutes later and we're removing the plastic off of our feet. The liquid I use to scrub my feet with the pumice will either be cuticle softener or just some liquid soap. And it just basically helps get any dead skin off and just helps create the softness for the bottom of your feet and where all the dry areas were. Now, when it comes to the scrubbing, I want you to be very generous with your scrubbing because you want to make sure that you're getting your feet to a level of softness, baby softness, and you're going to achieve this with all the steps that I've showed you before. Now, after we've done the scrub, we're going to get us a bowl of water, put a little bit of water on our feet so that we're able to prepare it for the next thing, which is the scrub. I make my own scrub. You can make scrub with sugar and you can add any types of smelling good oils that you want, and then boom, there's your scrub. So basically we're going to scrub our feet all the way around, in between your toes, up and down. Be very generous with your scrub as well because you want to make sure that you are getting the ultimate softness out of what we're putting into our feet today. Scrub, 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 scrub. And then we're going to head over to the restroom so that we're able to remove all of the excess cuticle softener, the callus remover, and the scrub off of our feet so that we can go back and get ready for our booties so that we can get the extra moisturizer in that we need. I don't know if you can tell in my voice, but I just love a self-care day. I mean, I just love taking care of myself. It's just the best. And as you can see, feet are looking fab. So we're going to go in next with the booty so that we can add the moisture back into that we just kind of scrubbed out and exfoliated. So I put the booties on, and I leave the booties on for about 15-20 minutes. And actually, we're going to go in with our booty mask next, which I'm so excited about. This is my first time actually doing a booty mask, so I don't know what it does. It just probably moisturizes your butt. And as you can see, I'm laughing right here because I couldn't keep the audio. I don't know what happened to the audio. But anyways, I'm preparing to put these on my ass because I think it's gonna, for the most part, I believe that these are going to just put moisture back into your butt. It's not going to do any type of extra lifting to help build the glutes. No. This is just moisturizer. And as you can see, I'm excited. But anyways, I sat for 20 minutes with the booty pads on and the booties, and I just did some editing, drank some coffee, text a little bit, and then got my ass back up so that I can go over and so I can finish doing what I'm doing so I can head to my next self-care thing. Okay, so here we are back. We're going to take our booties off, and like I said, we're going to leave these on for 15-20 minutes, however long you have. But I love this because every time I do self-care when it comes to like my feet, I always get them back together. I mean, on top of that, I'm a manicurist as well, but this will get your feet so right. I'm telling you, just follow my steps and you will have smooth baby bottom feet. Like I said, we took the booty mask off. They were cool. It just gave me some extra moisturizing. It didn't lift or anything, but you know, whatever. I mean, I get excited for self-care day because this is the day where I fully take time to myself. I won't answer the phone, flow and engulf myself into things that make me happy, make me feel good. Just growing at my highest self, you know. But you gotta take the time out for the growth, for the self-care. That's how you start growing. That's how you start evolving. That's how you start listening to who you are, being who you are, right? All right, so let's get into it. So I first go in with my St. Ives watermelon scrub. A little water, moisturize my lips. Go in with my scrub. Not too much, just enough. And just gently go back and forth on my lips. Don't be scared to get in there now. Kind of let it sit. It's actually tasty too. And let it sit for another 30 seconds. Now it's time to rinse off. A small cotton, wet it. Remove the scrub. Take another one. I take a dry one. So I'm first going with the wet one. And then I go in with the dry one to get the excess scrub off. And then we go in with the lip mask. So we've cleaned our lips, we've scrubbed them, and now we're gonna go in with our mask to give it that extra hydration and that pucker up, my love. Pucker up. Put our lip mask on. We're gonna let that sit for, see, 15. Okay, you know what? I wet it a little bit. This is a trick. I wet it and then I put it on because it stays. We're back. We let it sit for 15 minutes. Don't talk when you have this mask on. It's gonna keep coming off. Make sure you just are relaxing. It's a self-care day. It's a day for you. Just chill. You see, I got my bikini on. I'm walking around the house in my bikini. Okay? So remove this. After about 15 to 20 minutes, moisture is locked back in. I'm gonna use this nighttime sleeping mask that I always use when I go to sleep. But we're gonna use it for the daytime right now because we're gonna go ahead to the next self-care thing. But before we go, we're gonna put on this lip mask. And it helps lock the moisture in. All right, we're headed to the next self-care thing that we're doing, which is the facial. The facial and the waxing of the cat. So let's go in here. We're going to enjoy aesthetics. I am freaking late. Just trying to fix my wig. But anyways, we're here. It's my girl.
Some that he will let you push him. Because some guys just like some wipes from the 99-cent store that they're gonna give you like a free service or whatever.
Oh, okay.
So she said
So we're done with the facial. Yeah, I'm shining. All right, so we had a great self-care day, and now we're on our way back home to edit the videos and just have a great Saturday. That's to go grab a matcha. I'm just gonna vibe out. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you soon. Bye now.
Like white jungle fever, more of a forest cold. It's my slight hand against your angel soft dark skin.